Okay guys, now a quick tutorial on how to get your DaVinci Resolve 14 to open up on your iMac. Now, as you can see, I'm using the iMac 5K Retina screen. This is 14. Let's try open up and see what happens. It gets to the screen and then all of a sudden it just freezes and just disappears basically. Look, it's gonna happen, you see? Not working. So let's close that. Now to get 14 to work, open 12.5. Now type in my password. As you can see, 12.5 is working fine. Let me open one of my project files here. Yeah, it's working. So basically, if you want um, 14 to work, what you want to do, two things you want to do. Well, one of them basically. Uh, Come to your project manager. Now, first things first, you want to save all of this into, because these are your project files. Okay, this is in your local data, and for some reason 14 doesn't want to work with the local data that comes with version 12.5, so you want to create a new version. So before you create that new version, you want to save all of this by individually right clicking, go to export with still unlocked, save it anywhere. I just created a folder and I saved everything in this folder basically. After all of this is done, you come here to this little button here, database. Now, for some reason, this is what we're using here, and 14 doesn't like this. So I created a new one, and I just call it empty. You can call it whatever you want. Basically, come here to create, name it, boom, create that, and that is that basically. Then you select this one, this new one, click select, and that's done. Now close this. Let's open 14 now. You see, it's working. This is the local database. If you select this right now, 14 won't work anymore. But this is the empty one that we created basically. So this is why it's working. And for me to get on my project file, I just right click, import. I open that project file folder that I created and brought every one of them in basically. As you can see here. So let's open one of them and see. Boom, it's working fine. But bear in mind, you would have all your stills, but you won't have your power grade. Now, for me to have my power grade, because for some reason, all my power grade are all in the local database, I created another stills album. I did that in 12.5 anyway. I clicked on this and Command A, dragged everything into this. I now saved this project file, reopen it in 14, and that's how I got all my power grade basically, and now copy them back into this power grade. So this is how to get 14 to work on your Mac. Hopefully this works for you guys.